I'm Mark Bryan, Managing Director for County Confectionery, and we make Easter eggs for the Co-op. We've been making chocolate eggs for over 25 years here in St Ives. Chocolate's in my blood. I'm very passionate about making chocolate Easter eggs. It's something that I've done all my life. The range that we're making for the Co-op this year includes the salted caramel brownie explosion, the orange chocolate explosion, the Ecuadorian milk chocolate pod, and the irresistible triple chocolate artisan egg. So we worked with the Co-op sampling lots of different chocolates, and then we narrowed it down to the single origin Ariba Cocoa Ecuadorian chocolate, and we felt that was the perfect chocolate for the perfect egg. Rich, creamy flavour and lovely caramel notes. We pour the chocolate into the mould. We then spin the egg on the spinner. We used 2 lustres, a red and a blue, and they're hand applied to give us the overall finish. The egg comes with 6 individual truffles made with Co-op's irresistible gin and strawberry, and I think it's absolutely delicious. Developing Easter eggs has to be the best job in the world.